Did you know that millions of men around the world are silently suffering from prostate problems without even realizing it? Do you feel the urge to urinate frequently, especially at night, a weak stream, the feeling that your bladder never fully empties? These may be clear signs that your prostate is trying to warn you. But here's what most men don't know. There is a 100% natural method to fight symptoms, reduce prostate swelling, and restore male health, without expensive drugs or invasive surgeries. Stay with me until the end of this video, because today I'm going to show you the natural secret that could change your life, and you'll never see prostate health the same way again. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to reveal what doctors and researchers are uncovering about the link between nutrition, natural habits, and prostate health. You'll understand why so many men face issues like prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, and even higher risks of cancer. And more importantly, how to reverse these conditions naturally, effectively, and with science-backed strategies. If you're over 40 or know someone who is, this video may be the missing piece to restoring your quality of life and avoiding serious problems in the future. The prostate is a walnut-sized gland that plays a vital role in the male reproductive system. As men age, especially after 40, it naturally begins to grow, and that growth can trigger a range of unpleasant symptoms. We're talking pelvic pain, urinary urgency, weak flow, recurrent infections, and even erectile dysfunction. This enlargement is linked to excess estrogen in the male body, chronic silent inflammation, and diets lacking essential nutrients. In other words, the root of the problem often lies in your daily habits. But here's the good news. You can reverse this condition without aggressive treatments. Science shows that proper nutrition, smart supplementation, and natural hormone balance can reduce prostate size and restore function. Let's get to the point. What are the foods, habits, and nutrients that support natural prostate healing? Pumpkin seeds rich in zinc, one of the most important minerals for the prostate. Zinc helps reduce gland size and regulate male hormone levels. Cooked tomatoes, a concentrated source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces prostate cancer risk and soothes inflammation. Nettle tea, traditionally used to relieve urinary symptoms. It has anti-inflammatory and mild diuretic properties. Turmeric with black pepper, a potent combo that reduces systemic inflammation and improves blood flow to the pelvic region. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These cruciferous vegetables help balance estrogen, which in excess can negatively impact the prostate. Exercise and belly fat reduction. Visceral fat releases inflammatory substances. Reducing it relieves pressure on the prostate. Avoid processed foods, excess alcohol, and deli meats. These foods raise the risk of chronic inflammation and hormonal imbalance. Saw palmetto supplementation, a plant proven to improve urination, reduce prostate enlargement, and slow progression. Deep restorative sleep. During deep sleep, the body regulates hormones and reduces inflammation. These are just a few pillars. When combined, they create an internal environment where the body can regenerate, the prostate deflates, and symptoms fade away. Studies from the National Institutes of Health show that men who consume lycopene and zinc regularly have up to 40% lower risk of developing BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Dr. Neil Barnard, physician and researcher, states, a diet rich in plant-based foods, antioxidants, and natural anti-inflammatories can prevent and even reverse prostate enlargement. The American Urological Association acknowledges that saw palmetto has effects comparable to medications like finasteride, but with fewer side effects. The Snow Paulo Urology Institute also applies successful natural protocols involving nettle tea, omega-3, and targeted pelvic exercises. Science is slowly proving what nature has always known. The body has the power to heal when given the right inputs. But what if I told you there's an ancient food, forgotten by most people, that can shrink the prostate in just a few days, and almost no one is consuming it the right way? And even more, there's a simple 2-minute morning ritual that, when combined with this food, boosts its anti-inflammatory effects by up to 300%. These details will be revealed in the final part of the video, so pay close attention, because these small actions often make the biggest difference. When prostate health improves, the effects aren't just physical. You sleep better, feel more energetic, think more clearly, and your confidence returns. No longer wake up multiple times to urinate. No longer rush to the bathroom constantly, and the fear of something serious fades away. Self-esteem improves. Motivation for work and intimacy returns. You feel like you've taken control of your health again. And all this happens because you decided to act. The decision to change your habits is the greatest act of strength and self-care a man can give himself. So, now you know. The secret to healing the prostate naturally lies in your habits. It's not about hoping the issue will go away with time. It's about taking action with intelligence, based on science and nature's wisdom. Eat the right foods.
Cut out what causes inflammation.
Move your body. Supplement wisely, and watch your health transform. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for more content like this, and share this with friends or family who also need this information. In the comments, tell me, which of these strategies will you try today, because your prostate health begins with the next step you choose to take.